So what's the best crypto wallet tracker to keep your crypto safe and easy to manage? Okay. Video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here we go. So are you looking for the best way to track your crypto and to keep it safe? If you are, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the best crypto wallet tracker to manage your digital coins with ease and peace of mind. Okay. So step one, you're going to download the crypto.com app. It's free, it's easy to use, and it's going to help you track all your crypto in one place. Okay. It's the top. Step two, set up your account. It's simple and you're going to be able to start using the wallet tracker right away. No complicated steps. It's just smooth sailing. Okay? Step three, you're going to explore the features. The app allows you to track your crypto's value, store it safely, and even earn rewards. You'll love how easy it is to stay on top of your digital assets. Okay? Now imagine how much easier your crypto journey will be once you have the best wallet tracker at your fingertips. It's safe, it's secure, it's designed to help you manage your crypto in the most efficient way. So, by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people on crypto.com already, open your account through my referral link below because we can both make good rewards out of it, and then you can do the same with other people.